Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. This video is about how we can do critical analysis. Critical analysis करना is not that difficult अगर आपको उसका rational पता चल जाए कि critical analysis होता क्या है, क्यों किया जाता है, उसके पीछे मतलब क्यों वो पूछता है. बेसिकली हर टॉपिक के जो कि आर्गुमेंटेटिव होता है उसमें मोर देन वन व्यूज होते हैं, मोर देन वन स्कूल ऑफ थॉट्स होते हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली आप हर चीज को एग्री नहीं कर सकते. सो वी नीड टू लर्न एग्री टू डिसएग्री. वो हमें फुल जो है अथॉरिटी देता है, कमांड देता है कि हम कोई भी ऑप्शन को एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकते हैं. आइदर हम उसकी स्टेटमेंट से 100% एग्री करें, 100% डिसएग्री करें, या फिर एक इन बिटवीन सिचुएशन दें. लेकिन उसकी प्लेस कहाँ पे होगी जहां पे आपको अपना स्टांस देंगे. So the best part is that you have critical analysis section. It is optional, but if there is a argumentative critical analysis based question, I would recommend you that you people must write 4 to 5 lines about the critical analysis. Critical analysis is not that difficult. You just need to understand the idea that if there is a statement which is giving to you, so if you think that you are going to agree 110% to that statement, then you can say you are following the pro approach. On the other hand, if you think that you are like 110% going to disagree with the given statement, then you are going to follow the entire approach. In between, you can either like 60% or 40% you are agreeing to the point, but you have to clearly explain it. But where to explain it? You have the critical analysis part where you can explain it easily. So critical analysis is optional, but you can add it, but it's not for every subject. For instance, it could be added in current affair. For most, it can be added in Pakistan affair only. Critical analysis based question and opinion based question. And when examiner has clearly pointed out, discuss, argue, critically analyze, substantiate your answer. These are the keywords when it is mandatory, and you can say it is more likely a compulsion that you have to write it and make it as part of your write-up. And it must be before the conclusion and after the recommendation. So critical analysis is very much mandatory. When you can see the keywords there. If there are no keywords, then it is optional, but if still you write it, you can get the edge over among other candidates. So choice is yours, but you must have very much clarity that critical analysis based mean your own perspective, your own thinking, your own stance, either pro, anti or moderate, whatever, it's up to you. So you can say the bottom line is it's the final take on any particular issue, on any particular argument, on any particular debate. You have to just consolidate your thoughts into few lines, not just like a lengthy paragraph, not at all. What you need to do, just write 4 or 5 statements, 4 or 5 lines in a paragraph, through which you can elaborate that you are going to follow this approach and you are agreeing to the situation or you are disagreeing to the situation. For instance, let me take an illustration here. For instance, there is a question about the judicial activism in Pakistan affair. So you can say judiciary has taken the suo motu action. Judiciary has took it as a necessary measure to become the part of, you can say, as self-driven policies, as a part of legislation. And judiciary is an independent body, and it can take the other executive bodies and other bodies to by interfering in their action, in their affairs. So it is like my stance that judicial activism is like I am supporting the idea. But on the other hand, there is a student who entirely disagree with this stance that there must not be judicial activism because it is the infringement of the rights of the other organs. It will start making blame game, and it would be as a stumbling block for the execution of various organs. So these could be the reason. I have explained you already about the pro side. I have explained you about the entire side. Whatever is your take, you just have to elaborate what is your stance. You have to elaborate it just in 4 to 5 lines. That's it. So that must be up for now about the critical analysis. If you would have more question on it, you can just leave comment and I will get back to you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.